Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Crystal Fix is a video effect that enhances the visual elements with a crystalline aesthetic, ensuring stability and clarity in its execution. The term crystal implies the incorporation of sharp, refracted, or transparent elements, creating a visually captivating and intricate appearance. The fixed tag suggests a refined and stabilized versions, emphasizing a polished and seamless application of the effect. The impact on the audience is a visually stunning and immersive experience. The crystalline visual elements evoke feelings of elegance, precision, and sophistication, while the stability brought by the fixed aspect ensures a smooth and high-quality presentation. This effect is particularly effective in conveying a sense of clarity, purity, or even a futuristic aesthetic within the video, leaving a lasting impression on viewers who appreciate visually polished and refined content. Powershool. Please read the description is a video effect designed to convey a sense of powerful transformative energy with a unique twist. As indicated by the please read description tag, The term Powershool might imply a fusion of powerful and school-related elements suggesting a dynamic and visual auditory experience. The impact on the audience is an electrifying and immersive experience. The video effect may feature vibrant and dynamic visuals that convey a sense of energy, transformation, or empowerment, perhaps with school-related motifs or themes incorporated creatively. The please read description tag could indicate that the effect's full impact is best understood by reading additional information in the video's description, providing context or instructions that enhance the viewer's understanding and appreciation. The viewer This effect is particularly effective in engaging viewers who appreciate creative and unique video content, as well those intrigued by the fusion of powerful and school-related elements. Konimex Group is a video effect associated with a specific brand, company, or organization named Konimex Group. In this scenario, the impact on the audience might be tailored to the goals and identity of Konimex Group, potentially incorporating visual and auditory elements that reflect their brand values, aesthetics, or messaging. The effect could create a unique and cohesive brand experience, leaving a lasting impression on viewers associated with the Konimex.